How to make money online in 2023, $100 per day. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you some methods that you can make money with, and you can make more than $100, at least $100 per day with these methods. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, as you know, that money making these days on internet is not that easy because there is too much competition in all the markets, and then there are scams, and then there are a lot of things that you need to worry about, that you need to focus to make money online. So as you can see, everything, whatever platform you use and whatever kind of money you are trying to make on internet, as easy as it sounds, it is not that easy because it requires a lot of effort, it requires a lot of work, and more importantly, it requires a lot of your time. So there are two kinds of things that you can do. First, there is an active income. You can work for something and you can turn your time into money. So that's kind of one way that you can make money on internet. And then there is something that is called passive income. Passive income is something that you just uploaded or you just made on internet, and you then just it is out there, and you don't have to go and check it again and again. You don't go and have to analyze it again, and you don't have to pay all the statistical details about it again. You just leave it there, and then it keeps making revenue, it keeps making profit, and you keep earning with that specific thing, with that specific product or anything that you have uploaded or published. So this is the easiest way, and this is the most creative way that you can make money, because it is one time investment that you invested your time, and then their revenue keeps on adding and adding up as you get views or as you get customers or whatever that product is or whatever that way is. But you keep getting money, but you don't have to invest a lot of time. You don't have to invest your time again and again each and every day like 9 to 5 job. So this is the thing that we are looking for. So first of all, what I have for you is I have a platform which is called teespring.com. So it is a platform where you can customize different products and you can sell them on Teespring. So as you can see that in these days, customized things are very trendy, and people are opting for something that is unique and that is not worn by anyone before. So this is the best platform that you can prey on those kind of minds. What you can do is basically you can just come here on this platform, you can choose a product for yourself, like you can design a product that you need to sell. So as you can see, there are different things. We have shirts, it has hoodies, it has shorts and trousers, it has bags, it has keycaps, it has mugs, phone cases. There are a lot of products that you can come here on Teespring and create. When you create your product, what you can do is you can add your customizable designs to your product. Like you can add images, you can add different small patterns or something, you can add these kind of things. You can choose a person whom you are going to buy the shirt from, and you can also choose a printer for yourself. So what's going to happen is that you will come on the platform, you'll start designing, and you will add your design, and then you'll choose a person who is going to give you the shirt, and then a person who is going to do all the printing. You have to pay for those things, and after that, whatever profit you're going to make, it will be yours. For example, if you're selling a shirt for $40 and the $20 add up cost that came on the shirt, like after the printing and after the buying and shipping and everything, so the $20 that is left is completely yours, and you just you take it home, and on each product that you sell, if you make $20, then it is quite some revenue. So what you can do is you can just come on the platform, you can start creating. If you are a little bit creative, if you know some about designing and everything, you can add different designs to your things, you can add different patterns, you can also create your whole collections on Teespring, and people will come and people will see your product and will buy it. You can also set it up on different platforms if you want to. So this is an easiest way to make money on internet, and it is a one-time investment. You just come here, you create your own design, and you just publish it one time, and then people will keep on buying it. Every time they'll buy it, you will make money. So the next thing that I have for you is social media. As you know, social media is so common these days. Everyone is using social media, and for different purposes, for their business, for their entertainment, for spreading awareness, and everything that is social media is being used. So as you know that YouTube is basically has monetized the program, and also TikTok as well. So what you can do is basically you can just come on to Envato Elements. You can find different video templates right here. You can just go on and find different video templates. Let's say I want to search a video template for rain. So when I search that, I will get some videos that are related to rain, in which there is a falling rain or sound of it or something like that. I can just choose this kind of video, and what I can do after that is I can can create, I can customize that specific template, I can add different writing onto it, I can add different quotes, different poetry onto it, as people are very much into reading these kind of things. So I can add that, and after that I can publish it, or I can upload it on my YouTube channel or my TikTok or anything, and whenever people will see my video, I will start making revenue out of it. So it is just out there. It is, don't have to go in and check that out. You don't have to go in or update it or anything. It is just out there, and you are just going to make money out of it, and you don't have to do anything after you have done uploading the video. So this is so easy as well. You just make something. It is also one time investment. You just do that, and after that you just sit back and you just relax, and you start, you create some videos, you create more whenever you get time, you create more videos. You can start vlogging if you want, because vlogging is so common these days, and people are so much into watching that. You can start creating podcasts, but there are timely jobs. You have to find content, you have to do all the camera and everything. While this is just, you just take something of someone, a video of someone else, and you just go on and add something of yourself, 2-3 hours work, and there you go, you got yourself a video. You just go and upload, and then you'll make money out of it. The next thing that I have for you is basically affiliate marketing. You can just do it from any other platform. I have a platform for you which is cost per action CPA grip. It is really good platform. You can just come here and you have different offers. In CPA, what you have are, you get different offers to do different tasks and have different revenues. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is CPA grip, and these are the offers. The starting up is very easy. You can just go on to cpagrip.com. You can just sign in with your email and everything, and after that this will be your dashboard. So what you need to do is, these are all the things that you can do. The type is written here, the type of the task. It is a mobile, and the category is mobile install. So what you need to do is, here you have an image and the title, install the Nextdoor app. What you need to do is, you have to go onto the Nextdoor app and find it on your Google or your iOS, or it is basically iOS. So you need to go onto your Apple Store, and you need to find this install the Nextdoor app. After that you need to install it, and whenever you will do that, when you are done installing it, what you will get is $0.54. So you can just go on and check other tasks as well. Some tasks are for more money, some are for less money, but everything, just to download a simple mobile app, it is a very easy $0.54. So what else is there? You act now for a 7 PayPal gift. So you need to email or zip submit this folder, and you can get $2.05. You can also get mobile, right? Okay, grab your $1,000 now, email and zip submit and everything. This is also $2.06. So this is how you can just complete different tasks and you can make money. So this is not a passive income type of money, but it is a very easy money. You're doing so minimal and you're just making money out of your random everyday activities. So it is also a very good way you can make money on internet. So there are hundreds and hundreds of ways you can make money. You can go on to different platforms. You can go on to Canva. You can design different things. You can design journal, ebooks, flip books and everything, and you can just sell them on Amazon KDP. You can go to drop shipping. You can start drop shipping, and that will also be a very easy business for you. You don't have to do anything. You just pick someone else's stuff and sell it to someone else for more money. You just make profit out of it. So there are the ways to make money on internet are so much these days, but I have shown you one of the simplest ones to use so that you can get started and you can start making your own money through internet without any hassle or anything, and it will be completely yours and you will be in charge of everything. You don't even have to work under someone. You don't even have to follow orders. You just do everything at your own pace with your own time and everything. So this is a very easy way you can make money on internet, and you can, from these methods, you can earn up to $100 per day very easily, and you can even earn up more if you are consistent, if you are really good, and if you have created something good. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, you can just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. And until the next video, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.